We all hear people talk about secrets to wealth. There's no secret to wealth. There are secrets to ways in which you can get wealth. But there's no secret to wealth. Wealth is simple. You have to sell something. Cash flow is the oxygen that you need to live your life. And people have known this since the beginning of time. People used to trade and barter things. So people know if you leave people alone, poor as dirt, they know something very simple, that if they want something, they have to sell something to get something, trade something. Everyone is a salesperson. So don't get it confused that you need motivation. All types of rich people, politicians know that. You gotta sell things. If you see someone with a big house, big car, all the fancy things, they sold something. Don't be thinking that, wow, this is a mystery. There's no secret to success. There's just secrets of ways to become successful. It's simple. You gotta sell something if you wanna make money, if you wanna be successful.